The Don Bosco Technical School held a two-day Expo 2023 at the Institute premises from November 9th. It is also a year of jubilation as the Institute celebrates its centenary year of establishment. Principal of Don Bosco Technical School, Father Arcadius Puwen, said the Expo will be of immense help to the students who are venturing into a world of creativity and innovation. He said that there are many success stories, and he further informed that past pupils from the Institute seek skilled students for various works.
I livelihood freedom meki, but kami tang naga egaba gindar po syllabus nomor kini kena ai gidon naga jonga syllabus ni hapan pendapat kumga government of India. Dia kini ke expo pat ka long ai widen ni aga ye juk khachu kena. But ni iba dadang ni page gini ki exhibit bagi kena ki wanra ki long sha ki ege balong creative. But ye rab yu kena ban pakat kham jingai kham jiliu ye ke jim training joki.
Amidst the Diwali dazzle,